to the channel. It's your girl Mel, and I want to say welcome to my new subscribers, and welcome back to my OG subscribers. As y'all could hear, I am feeling much better. I am able to talk, but within this video I wanted to share with you guys all of my displays for 2021, whether it's my hutch, whether it's my coffee bar, whether it's my baking station, whether it's a tray on top of my fridge. I wanted to share my creativity with you guys, and I'm very proud of myself for pushing my creativity, because sometimes you could get stuck. So I hope you guys are enjoying your New Year's Eve so far. I am, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this short video of my hutch, my coffee bar, my baking station, my fridge, on top of my fridge displays, and some other displays that I had added with my still pictures. I just want to say thank you for an incredible 2021 YouTube journey. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for taking the time out your day to watch, to like, to share, to subscribe, to comment on the videos below, and to also talk to me on Instagram as well. It means a lot to me and I truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in the next year, which is 2022. Also, I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will know that I was sick with the C-19, and for Christmas, for this week and Christmas Eve, I am feeling much better. I have my voice talking regular now. I have a little burst of energy to move around, to do things around the house. I am very grateful for the man above for granted me this time to just recuperate and to get better and to be amongst my family. I'm just super grateful that everybody's okay in my family. And also, I just want to say to you guys, good riddance 2021 and Happy New Year to you guys, and welcome in 2022. I wish you guys nothing but peace, prosperity, blessing, happiness, and love, and abundance in money if that's what you wish. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Be safe, wear your mask, peace.